Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new video series delving into the names of places in the Korean language. From common locations to unique settings, we'll explore the vocabulary that shapes the Korean landscape. So, join me on this language journey as we uncover the diverse and essential words for describing places in Korean. Let's start with the part 1. Here comes the first word, the Korean word for hospital, and that is 병원. 병원. Now let's see how to say park in Korean, and that is 공원. 공원. Next comes the Korean word for bakery, and that is 빵집. 빵집. Now let's see the Korean word for library, and that is 도서관. 도서관. Next comes the Korean word for zoo, and that is 동물원. 동물원. Next, let's see how to say home or house in Korean language, and that is 집. 집. Next comes the word for hotel in Korean, and that is hotel. Hotel. You can notice that this is a loan word. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for school, and that is 학교. 학교. Now comes the word for bank in Korean, and that is 은행. 은행. And the last one is the Korean word for museum, and that is 박물관. 박물관. So, today we learned 10 words for different places in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.